Welcome back to a different day and a different dollar, guys. So let's see, where did we leave off here? I got the coil in, football, radius arm, and same on this side. Coil, radius arm. I know you guys can't see where this shit. It's too freaking cold to open the garage door today, so we're just gonna have to deal. But I'm gonna start with the driver's side radius drop bracket first. As you've seen in that time lapse, I went ahead and bolted it together on the workbench. You could bolt this to the truck and then bolt this on under there, but there's no point. And there's a lot of bolts. So now I've got 6 bolts to do underneath the truck now. Those two, and then 2 into the frame. And they provide me with plenty of hardware to do so, I'm pretty sure. 3, 6. And this bag looks like it's got enough to do the other radius bracket. Came in 2 different bags, but I think there's enough to, that's got to be what those are for. So plenty of hardware to go around, all grade 8 bolts. So I'll catch you guys after I mount this to the frame. How's that sound? Also, real quick, guys, I almost forgot. Kyle ordered new radius arm components here. Bushings from High Performance Components. Polyurethane motion control. Look at those sons of bitches. All right, guys, Dumbo me. All that progress of putting the coils in and shit, and I had to drop all that progress to put the radius arm drop brackets in first, and now we're gonna bolt the coils on. Fuck, I don't know why, I just could not. I spent 2 hours fucking with it, and I'm like, screw it, the coil's got to come back off. And now I've got some bolts in the radius drop brackets, but Kyle placed these jack stands in a really stupid spot, so I need to get the whole front end built so that I can set this thing back down on wheels and tires or onto blocks to reposition the jack stands so I can get in there and bolt the hardware in without having the fucking jack stand in my way. So with that being said, I think next I'm gonna put the pan hard bar in. I think, yeah, pan hard bar next. Get it in there and it's just loose. Then we'll put the coils in. Alrighty, guys, there's the 7 inches in the front, 35s, looking pretty good. A lot of ground clearance now. I don't know if my front driveline is gonna fit. I'm gonna get underneath there and take a look-see and see what's going on. I might have to go get that extended. We definitely gonna have to do extended brake, well, a brake line. If I can't go out and articulate, let's just put it that way. I don't know if you can see that brake line over there. But I'm just gonna undo the sway bar. I'm gonna go drive it and see how it feels. If it feels to me that we're gonna need the sway bar, then I'm gonna have to either cut and lengthen those or order some. Probably just cut and lengthen those and put some new bushings on those guys. Alright, Kyle found something cute on his side when he was... What'd you do with it? There it is.
I got pissed.
So, the center pin, he went to start unscrewing the center pin. It was just busted right the F off. Yeah. But both sides are broken loose. Kyle, you want to go ahead and lower the jack on the Bronco?
On the Bronco.
And that thing's just going to twist because we took the cop.
Where's the pin?
I don't know.
What the fuck did we use it for?
You wanted me to take it apart, so you had a breaker bar.
Yeah,
so you got to piss and moan like a little girl about it?
Yeah, I might. Don't you tell me where the fucking cotter pin is.
I don't know. The cotter pin?
I don't know what the cotter pin is. Cotter pin for the Bronco? Ah,
Here. I don't know. This might take an hour. It's going pretty smooth so far.
shut up, James.
I think the hardest part's going to be the shocks. So we still got to break the upper ones loose. We literally just got to lower the Bronco's axle here, and shit should just start falling off of it. Let me get a better vantage point here.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, keep dropping. All right, stop it. All right, and I got to still get this pin off on this side, guys, and we've got the leaf pack undone. So, yeah.
Oh, we're stretching the brake line pretty good.
Fuck it. We've got enough room to get the blocks in the on my side. What about your side now? I don't care if it rips, honestly. I'm gonna replace it. Not the right attitude to have, because I'd like to take it for a drive today. But if we have to unbolt it from the frame, yeah, you just gotta get up underneath there and unbolt it from the frame. I don't know. That might looks like a rivet up there. Kind of might be fucked right there.
What, for the shop?
Just cut the line and put 2 nipples in it and an extension hose. We're good to go.
That's fine.
No, if we drive it, it might leak. I don't know. We might have to throw a cap on there. Uncle Kyle's opening the fucking box for the second time. There's
One.
There's 2.
2.
Now, question: do these must go in, then that factory
The
Adelleaf shim thing? There's no directions, of course. There's warnings. There's a fucking just a laundry list of warnings. This might have bad resale on your home this year. You might have a bad tax return this year.
James,
What?
I thought you said you got new center pins.
I did. They're in that box to the right with all the do not do this and this is dangerous and you might roll your Bronco and you should really consider hiring a professional to put your lift kit on and blah, 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 blah. I put 2 new stickers on the fridge, by the way, guys. They sent us an American flag sticker. Yes, it is crooked. I kind of screwed up last night when I was drinking beer and put it on. And a Superlift suspension sticker is now on the refrigerator. And don't forget to tune into that guy's channel. He's working on a 1992 Ford Bronco 4. I don't think so. I think it's a 93. It's a 90-something. Go check out John Fox over at the Fox Shop.
All right, guys. What a pain in the ass. Rusty center pins. Leaf shifting. Just a pain.
Yeah, this kit was designed to go with all the leaf springs. We put it together once, and it did not work.
It was just, that's a bad time. So,
I don't know.
we're going to get the U-bolts in, and then we will catch up with you and update you again.
Hold on. Progress report is Kyle you didn't get those even on your side. You only cut them.
Fuck you. You want them, do them different.
Jesus, you left them a little long, didn't you?
Long enough that I felt it was okay.
We had to zing some of that off so we could get a socket on there. And so yeah, that's the lift kit. We just got the shocks to do, guys, and then taking it for a spin. Maybe. It'll run. Alright, guys, well, it's all done. You'll have to catch next episode to see what it looks like. Please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. We're going to go ahead and roll this out. Roll it. I think we screwed up a little bit, Kyle. I don't know if we're going to clear.
It's gonna go
We might have to air down. But we're going to go ahead and back this out. And let's go take it somewhere and do a little walk around and see what it looks like in the actual in the light in the open area.
What light we have?
Yeah, it's raining today, guys. It's a fucking mess. But yeah, it's not looking promising to back this out. They sent me the wrong shocks. They sent me two sets of front shocks for this thing, so we don't have shocks today. I went to get this out of the box, and yeah, that's not gonna fly. So I'm gonna have to order 2 shocks.
Got a no shit handle. I'm happy.
That's the rear drive line. It wasn't doing that before. That vibration's coming from the rear drive line. Should have ordered a 4-inch. It'd have been plenty.
Yeah, but at least this opens us up for bigger tires down the road if we want to do that. Don't do that.
Huh?
No, that's bad.
Oh, bouncy?
Yeah.
No bouncy? Got it.
You have your turn signal on?
That's all she's got.
Yeah, I know. I'd rather not put it in the ditch today.
Oh, God. This thing handles like shit. Well, that's Pitman or drop Pitman.
Yeah.
Past that, there we go.
That is a carb issue.
You think?
Yes.
What do you guys think? Comment down below.
Yeah.
And we gotta fix the speedo. That's annoying. There's a lot of annoyance. This thing's
that's okay.
A long way from being on the road. Jesus criminy. Come on, lady.
Please go.
This might take me a minute. Got it timed perfect. Yeah, baby! Feel them horsey powers! I don't have 3rd gear at the moment. I gotta hook the vacuum line back
up. Okay, so is it every time you're putting your foot into it? That's what's making it pop?
Yeah.
That's spring.
What spring?
I know exactly what it is. My Holly does the same thing.
Yeah?
That's Street Avenger.
Well, it's done. The lift, kinda.
Well,
we got some stuff.
Fine tuning is what we're at, so.
There's no wind. This is nice.
Yeah.
But
doesn't happen very often. I think there's a house fire over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
We're gonna try to make it back with this thing running like it is, but
go ahead and like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.
Yep. Next time.
Next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Goodbye, guys.